It is time for a big car, potentially, here on the Mecum auction block in Indy. 1967, we all know it's the first year of the Camaro. This is a Nickey Camaro RS SS Stage 3.
427 cubic inches. L89 is the code. That's the aluminum-headed 3 two-barrel equipped power plant. Note the aluminum cylinder heads and the aluminum intake manifold, exhaust headers. If that looks suspiciously like something that would come out of a Corvette engine compartment, you would be spot on. Muncie M21 4-speed, showcased in several significant books, including our friend David Newhart, Chevy SS, 50 years of super sport, Camaro, 40 years, American Muscle Supercars. That is Tahoe Turquoise. Investment grade muscle continues, guys.
I love how they've added Nickey to the badging script right there in the same style as the word Camaro. Gives it a little extra pizzazz. And the current bid at $350,000.
Tim Wellborn with us here in the booth. Got a note from our friend Mopar expert extraordinaire, author, journalist, Jeff Stunker. And he was saying a note saying, wow.
150,000 for that. He was like blown away. He said, wow, there you are. So that's where prices are going on good stuff.
Yep, shout out to our buddy Jeff Stunker. Wish you were here, brother.
I don't see any aftermarket traction bars on that, so I'm hoping the Nickey boys did a little hocus pocus under there, because one mash of that throttle and you'll be doing the Wango Tango.
390, is it going to take a 4? Matt Morbeck, our auctioneer, is going around the room. Well, the reserve comes off at 390.
$400,000 on the Nickey Camaro. Not going to be $400,000 a man. Hit forward. Not going to be net last call. Not going to be $400,000. Hit 390 bid. Not going to be $400.
Wow, another big sale, guys. $390,000 for that 1967 Nickey Camaro.